Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we deep dive into the world of AI. Have you ever wondered if you could create your very own private ChatGPT, tailored to your needs and powered by your data? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating process of creating a private ChatGPT with your own data. With the rise of large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT and GPT-4, many are asking if it's possible to train a private ChatGPT using corporate data. But before we dive into the how-to, let's first understand the challenges and advantages of such an endeavor. Fine-tuning, often seen as the go-to solution for adding your data on top of a pre-trained model, comes with its share of disadvantages. From the risk of hallucinations to limitations in data relevance, cost implications, and access control, we'll explore why fine-tuning alone might not be the ideal approach. To overcome these limitations, we need to separate our knowledge base from the language model. This allows us to provide context and relevance while harnessing the power of the language model. We'll delve into the concept of grounding the model or retrieval augmented generation, RAG, and understand how it works in real time. To ensure our language model has the right information to generate accurate answers, we'll learn how to build a knowledge base and implement semantic search. We'll discuss the importance of chunking and splitting data to fit within token limits and the need for metadata to enhance access control and filtering. Building a semantic search index is crucial. We'll explore two options: leveraging an existing search as a service platform or using embeddings to create a custom semantic search. We'll dive into text embeddings, cosine similarity, and how to choose the right approach for your specific needs. Understanding your data and potential user queries is vital. We'll discuss different chunking strategies, such as sliding windows, providing more context, and summarization, to enhance relevancy and increase the chances of finding the most relevant information. Your prompt is your control mechanism. We'll guide you in crafting a concise prompt to prevent unwanted responses. You'll learn how to set expectations, maintain clarity, and include citations for factual accuracy. We'll also discuss the impact of temperature settings on response creativity. Now that you have a high-level understanding of the process, it's time to explore the next steps. We'll introduce you to various resources and projects that can inspire and assist you in building your private ChatGPT. From Azure services to open-source libraries, the possibilities are vast. In conclusion, relying solely on a language model for factual text generation has limitations. By separating your knowledge base from the language model and implementing semantic search, you can create a powerful Q&A engine tailored to your needs. The possibilities for extending your own ChatGPT are endless, and we're just scratching the surface. Thank you for joining us on this AI adventure. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech tutorials. And remember, the future of AI is in your hands. Until next time, keep innovating.